Then we open the case by fingerprint. Next one is to modify the password. First, long press 1 and 2 key to modify the password. Second, input the original password. Third, input the new password, and then input the new password again. The case will ring and shows the password is modified successfully. Then we can open the case by password. Our case has LED light which can open it through the app.
Do you have a brief knowledge of our mini-LT safety case? If you have any interest, please contact us. Bye-bye.